What is SLBM? SLBM is securities lending borrowing mechanism. It is a legalized way of lending the securities through exchange platform. So, we can lend our idle securities through exchange to the required persons and we can earn a little interest because of it. And the persons requiring the borrower requiring stock, he can also get the stock to meet his commitments. This is facilitated by National Clearing Corporation, wing of NSE, and this is legalized platform of lending and borrowing. All the market participants, all the brokers, all the members are permitted to deal in this. Exchange provides a anonymous trading platform whereby all the stocks which are required in the SLBM sector are quoted, and in the open based screen based system where we can enter into the transactions. These transactions involve two persons. One is a lender and the other is the borrower. Lender is the one who lends a share to the exchange so that exchange gives it to the borrower. The lender gets a fixed fee for his giving the shares, and the borrower also pays some amount of money for getting the stocks and returning back the stocks. This is the process, and the law first it involves a two legs transaction. First leg transaction is getting stocks from the lender, giving it to the borrower, and the second leg is returning the stocks from the borrower and returning back it to the lender. This is we have got monthly contracts, 3 quarterly contracts and yearly contracts. We can lend it for fixed period also, and every monthly contracts expires on the last Thursday. We can go to the NSE screen, we can watch what all the stocks available. What now there are about 400 stocks available in the SLBM sector. All the futures and futures trading stocks are eligible to be listed in the SLBM sector. If you have got a stock, if you have got idle stock and if you are not going to use it for some time, you can use it in SLBM sector so that it earns money. Sometimes it earns up to a maximum of 17 to 80% annualized returns. Hence, this is a very good investment process where we can unlock our portfolio to get a small interest income for our stocks which are not being utilized in the demat account. This SLBM, we can watch it in the NSE website itself, so that daily we can get a knowledge of it, and after some time, after knowing the process and all, we can contact our broker so that we can also use our existing stocks for getting this income. Many people are getting very handsome income from this, about 10% with the return without any movement of stocks. All the benefits like bonus, dividend, everything will come to you only. And moreover, the best part of this, there are no tax involvement, because in Indian tax law, this lending and borrowing is not taken as a transaction. Hence, it will not be liable for any taxation, additional taxation. So, please use this, watch it in the NSE website, and you can also learn the process and you can earn quite a handsome money for all your idle stocks. This is one of the additional value added services and we are providing to customers. Thank you very much.